Here's Switzerland back again, building a 7 cores cell. I stripped them together and I'm going to weld them here, since I consider that the electricity is positive on each of the outer pipes, so they can may just as well be welded together. Just for the fun of it, this is my cutting machine. This is the drilling machine. I show you what I did with this positive outside of the cell. I welded it on all the connecting points of the tubes. Then I constructed a triangle. I welded a bolt on it with where I can screw on the positive electric entrance. Then I took about 1/2 inch wide plates and went down to the 3 points. As you can see, I suppose that an equal entrance of the electricity on these tubes will be an equal distribution of the electricity also. I welded the tubes on the bottom too, same, all the connecting points. So this is a very strong self-holding unit. Next thing you will see, it's the finished cell. What I will do in the end, I'll take a pipe like this, a tube, and make an outer container to this cell. For those of you maybe who want details, as you notice, I have welded this washer on the screw. I welded it here. See? So when I put a rubber washer here to make it tight, the fluid cannot go through the thread and come out anyway. You have to fix it like this. This is an idea. So maybe if you have a possibility to weld or a friend that does it, it helps. Here I'm not in my shop anymore. I am in Rome in fairly springtime, and this is the finished cell. As I'll show now, this is the negative that can go inside And all these pipes are being fixed with a bolt like this. I welded this screw on this pipe. I drilled a hole so the water can go in, and I use it also with the screwdriver to hold the fix when I tighten the bolt on it, like this. I have a little space here to play with, so the imprecisions will be leveled out. And now I have it. Okay, now watch this. And then I forgot that this slides in, so I made a little very unconventional spacing in between so that it will not go through. And these are the little feet I can screw on to put it in the jar. I figured the better way to do it is to put it in this way and easily like this, and then put on the bolts. That's it. Very simple. And then you have the construction mounted. This is my first attempt with 12 volts and 1.2 amps, and it's very little. At least I know it works. I wonder what it does when I put 20 amps on it. That's my next work. Here's another attempt I'm making. And it is again with 1.2 amps and 12 volts. I turned it off. And the next time I'll make better connections and try to achieve a higher amperage. See you next!